All right, I'm on Interstate 40, just a few miles outside of Kingman. Kingman is somewhere up ahead, and there apparently has been an accident because we're at a slowdown, and there's some police that went ahead on the shoulder. So, you know, I've been driving since Flagstaff, all the way on Interstate 40 here, and you know, the snow's been on and off, mostly on up in the mountains of, you know, Flagstaff, Williams, Ash Fork. Down here, at least the road is clear, so, you know, oh, look at that big thing. That truck's hauling some big, whatever that is. So, anyway, wonderful fluffy snow. It can just be dangerous when you're on an interstate and we're stopped. I did a not too shabby. There's the snow. I just did a not too shabby of the here, I'll show you. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Here's the not too shabby. Get the volume up. Grr, the volume's not up. Come on. Here we go. Here's the video. It's a traffic slowdown on the interstate in Kingman, Arizona. Not too shabby. There you go. And I also did a video of the snowy scene in Flagstaff. Here. Is it playing? That's a loud truck right there. Anyway, look at that snow coming down. Schneider National. That's the truck ahead of me. So hold on, here's the video. It's snowing like crazy in Flagstaff. Not too shabby. That was more a not too shabby. Not too shabby. Anyway, hopefully, you know, there's definitely been an accident somewhere up there. And this snow is crazy. My understanding is Kingman, Arizona is one of those desert kind of towns where it's really hot in the summer. So this is probably a really rare thing to have a snowstorm like this. And as you can see, the road is just fine, but all right, anyway, thank you for watching. And well, what can I say? Enjoy the snowy scenery. Look at that. Look at that snow coming down. I bike across America in 2 days. Saturday morning. It's what, Thursday noon. So wish me the best. And I think you can see my bicycle. Here's my wheel, my front wheel. I got this back seat down. So there's so just hoping for warmer temperatures in Newport Beach, Huntington Beach, and I'm sure it will be.